That's the key. Ask questions, be open with people, and break out of the silo.
The World Stem Cell Summit is extremely valuable, particularly in advocating stem cell research. It brings together patients, physicians, scientists, regulators, investors, all the people who can make things happen.
I've met a lot of people at the World Stem Cell Summit that I've gone on to have some interaction with. And it's really a valuable experience to meet people that aren't exactly the ones that I usually work with. I have, in fact, met scientists that I've gone on to collaborate with. That's the reason I go to conferences.
You know, it's so important to have multiple voices in the field because you're really bringing together all individuals from different areas. And by sharing the information that you're basically finding along the way, and by interacting together, we can all move forward as a field.
The value of the World STEM Summit to me is the intersection of ideas. It's bringing together not only my opinion, but it brings my ears to opinions of others. And when I see the excitement and enthusiasm that other people propose, it makes me a stronger person and a better scientist.
Dr. David Warburton.
My name is Kevin McCormack.
I'm Norio Nakatsuji.
I'm Andre Terzik. I'm the director of the Center for Regenerative Medicine at the Mayo Clinic.
I'm here because this is the best aggregation in the world of patient advocates and scientists for stem cell research supporting the advanced therapies.
Why it's important to me is very straightforward. I have 3 friends who are without kidneys and are in a class of people that are described as not a candidate for a transplant.
It could be as great an impact as the polio vaccine.
I'm a physician scientist and I'm tremendously energized by the needs of my patients and the needs of those afflicted with diseases that may respond to stem cell therapy.
So, why am I doing this? Because I have friends and I care about them. And I figured, let's leverage that.
The World Stem Cell Summit is a unique forum that brings physicians, scientists, patients, the population at large, society, as we together look at advances in regenerative technologies.
When I started this over a decade ago, there was no other group that was trying to connect all the dots and bring all the stakeholders together.
Well, stem cell therapy represents the future of medicine, that we might be able to use cells rather than drugs or surgery to improve health or possibly even deliver cures. And 16 years ago, I founded a nonprofit organization which became the Regenerative Medicine Foundation to accelerate regenerative medicine to improve health and deliver cures. We do the World Stem Cell Summit. We do regenerative medicine. We do advanced therapies. But all of these technologies, it's the 4th pillar of medicine, something that has accelerated tremendously with the convergence of technologies that we have today, microscopy, machine learning, AI, nanotechnology, et cetera, the information age. So a medical and scientific revolution that would have taken centuries and decades is upon us right now. And of course, that leads to a lot of issues. And one of the things in creating World Stem Cell Summit, I interviewed every year for 16 years, 200 potential speakers. And I got to understand the network. And there's a slide that's in your possession, you might be seeing in a second, which is called an ecosystem slide. And it has workforce development in the center of all these nodes. But it isn't just workforce development. Any of you in this room represent could be I am here in the middle of a vast enterprise and ecosystem.